Hi class, welcome back. If you remember last time we did a lesson, we went over the days of the week. And so a quick little review would be like, what's the first day of the week? What's the second day of the week? What's the third? What's the fourth? What's the fifth? And so on. And this week we are going to be talking about different cultures and different nationalities. And so today we're going to start with Mexico. Mexico, they like to eat tacos and burritos and chips and salsa and things like that and spicy things. And here is a visual of the food, and here's a visual of their country. Um, this is Spain. In Spain, it looks like they do soups and looks like some olives and shrimp and things of that nature with cheese. They're big on their cheese. And this is a picture of their country as well. This is the Japanese country with all their little different towers and stuff like that. I thought that was really neat. Kind of shows the culture and the way things are there. They really, they're really there for their for the Japanese is really like a lot of sushi. They love sushi and fish and things of that nature. France, here's their outline. It has their flag in the back. France is known for their sweets. They love sweets. Their sweets are pretty phenomenal. And then lastly we have Korea. Korea is known for their soups and their breads and their dumplings and things of that nature. So today we're going to talk about I'm going to talk more about whether or not you like these foods that you see. My personal favorite would be Mexican food. I love Mexican food. I love chips and salsa. I love burritos and tacos and spicy foods. But I also really love sushi. And so, what would y'all say is y'all's favorite? And then, they also have different music. And, I mean, obviously, I do not speak Spanish, so I do not know Spanish music. But it is fun to dance to. And, Korean has like K-pop, which they have some English K-pop if you're only English speaking, or I'm sure you could get it um, translated or whatnot, or find something similar in your language. So my question is, what is your favorite food, and do you speak English? So keep that in mind for next week, and we'll go over that again.